Surah Al Adiyat, the galloping horses. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 11 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والعاديات ضبحا.
By the galloping horses, panting.
فالموريات قدحا.
Then by those who raise sparks by striking their hooves.
فالمغيرات صبحا.
Then by the raiders at dawn.
فأثرن به نقعا.
So at that time they raise clouds of dust.
فوسطن به جمعا.
Then at that time they charge into the heart of the opposing army.
إن الإنسان لربه لكنود.
Man is indeed most ungrateful to his Lord.
وإنه على ذلك لشهيد.
He himself is a witness to that.
وإنه لحب الخير لشديد.
And he is most extreme in his love for wealth.
أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور.
Does he not know that when those who are in the graves are resurrected,
وحصل ما في الصدور.
and that which is concealed in the chest will be revealed?
إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير.
Indeed, their Lord on that day is fully aware of them.